Artificial intelligence is no longer a future idea or a tech experiment. It is already part of our daily lives, quietly transforming how work gets done across the world, from healthcare and agriculture to engineering, automation and finance. AI is helping people work faster, reduce mistakes, and make better decisions using data instead of guesswork. And the most important part, AI is not replacing humans. It is augmenting human intelligence, helping us do more with less effort. In medicine, artificial intelligence supports doctors by analyzing scans, reports, and patient data in seconds. It helps detect diseases earlier, identify risks more accurately, and support better treatment decisions. Doctors still make the final call. AI simply gives them clarity, speed, and confidence when precision matters most. In agriculture, AI helps farmers predict weather patterns, monitor soil health, and optimize irrigation. This means higher crop yields, less waste, and smarter use of resources. AI turns complex environmental data into simple, actionable insights, helping farmers grow more with fewer risks. Engineers across mechanical, civil, electrical, and architectural fields now rely on AI to design systems, optimize structures, and prevent failures before they happen. AI simulations reduce costly errors, speed up calculations, and turn months of work into days. Complex problems become manageable, and productivity increases without sacrificing accuracy. As artificial intelligence transforms medicine, agriculture, and engineering, it is also reshaping how financial markets are analyzed. Especially in crypto trading, one of the fastest moving environments in the world. Crypto markets move constantly, prices change every second, emotions influence decisions, and manual analysis has limits. This is where AI becomes a powerful assistant. AI systems can process market data, volume behavior, trends, and sentiment far faster than any individual trader. Not to predict the future, but to identify probabilities, manage risk, and support consistency. Crypto trading is not difficult because of charts. It is difficult because of emotion, information overload, and inconsistent execution, which makes the traditional trading so hard, and often traders feel exhausted. Today's traders use AI-powered tools to assist with analysis, entries, exits, and execution. These systems follow predefined strategies, apply rules without emotion, and help maintain discipline during volatile conditions. They are not magic systems, but when used responsibly, they help traders reduce mistakes, protect capital, and operate with structure instead of impulse. Small edges, applied consistently, are how long-term profitability is built. AI works best in trading as a system. Indicators help visualize market structure. Sentiment tools reflect crowd psychology. On-chain data reveals hidden market activity, and automation ensures disciplined execution. As showing in the chart of BTC USDT at TradingView, the AI indicator is predicting the changing market condition, potentially more precise instead of traditional indicators which uses static thresholds. Artificial intelligence does not eliminate risk, but it improves how traders analyze risk, assess probability, and execute strategies with consistency. The future of trading belongs to those who combine human judgment with artificial intelligence. If you want to trade smarter instead of harder, if you want consistency instead of chaos, then learning AI-assisted trading is no longer optional. It is becoming an essential skill for modern traders. In the next video, I will show you real AI indicators inside TradingView, how they work, how to apply them, and how traders actually use them in real analysis. Subscribe, stay focused, and welcome to AI Crypto World.